Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how you can sort an array in ascending or descending order using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Add the script file here, that is script.js. We need one div element and two buttons. It will be ascending and give it an ID of btn asc. Copy and paste, make it descending. We need one UL element. We'll leave this empty. We'll add the list item using JavaScript. Let's go to style sheet and style these elements. Select div element. Width will be 40%. Margin will be auto. Select the button. Padding will be 10 pixels. Select the list items. Font size will be 20 pixels. Margin left will be minus 30 pixels. Font weight will be bold. List style will be none. Open this file in the browser. You're not getting a list here because we have to work on JavaScript file to get that list. But to align these buttons, I need to make it 10%. Let's make it 15. Perfect. Let's start working on the script file and have the list items here. So we need one array. So let's make it users. We'll have a couple of names in this array, like Peter, Marks, Kathy, James, and Ronald. We'll have one function here that will be add users. We'll create a template first, and this template will contain a bunch of list items. First of all, we need to make use of map function and generate the list items. I'll use backtick here and the li element, and the username will be here. Because it will generate an array, we need to make it a string, and we'll make use of join method to do so. Then we'll select the UL element and set the inner HTML equal to this template. But we have to call this function to do so. Save it, go to browser, and this is the output. Now you already understood what is going to happen next. When I will click on this ascending button, I want to sort this list in ascending order. When I will click on this descending button, I want to sort this list in a descending order. Let's go to script file. Select both the buttons. So let's make it btn.asc. Just copy and paste. It will be DESC. Same goes here. Let's add event listener to this ascending button. So it will be btn asc. Add event listener. Event will be click. This will be the handler function. To sort this array in the ascending order, we have to make use of sort method, and then we'll call this add users function. Save it. Click on this button and you can see they are sorted in ascending order. Let's work on the descending order. Just copy and paste. Make it descending. For descending order, first we'll sort in the ascending order, then we'll sort in descending order using reverse method. Save it, go to browser, click, you can see they are sorted in a descending order. If you will click again, descending order, click again, descending order. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.